Iran. Beyond its majestic mosques with their intricate designs and towering minarets and bustling bazaars filled with the vibrant energy of daily life, lies a hidden gem, its exquisite cuisine. Iranian food is a tapestry of flavors, woven together over centuries of cultural exchange and regional diversity, creating a unique culinary experience. Journey beyond the familiar, and you'll discover a symphony of tastes and aromas that reflect the country's rich heritage and traditions. From the lush Caspian coast, where seafood and fresh herbs dominate the dishes, to the rugged Zagros Mountains, home to hearty stews and rich flavors, each region of Iran boasts its own unique culinary traditions, influenced by its geography and history. Join me as we embark on a culinary adventure, delving into the heart of Iran's regional cuisines, exploring the stories behind each dish. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover a world of flavor that will leave you craving more, as we uncover the secrets of Iran's culinary heritage. Venturing beyond the well-trodden culinary paths of Iran reveals a diverse landscape of regional specialties. Each region, shaped by its unique geography, climate, and cultural influences, offers a distinct flavor profile. In the fertile plains of Gilan, expect dishes abundant with fresh herbs, fragrant rice, and delicate fish. Travel south to Khuzestan and you'll encounter a cuisine infused with the warmth of spices, the tang of tamarind, and the richness of dates. Prepare to be surprised, delighted, and inspired to embark on your own culinary adventure through the heart of Iran. Our culinary journey begins in Gilan, a verdant province along the Caspian Sea. Known for its lush rice paddies, tea plantations, and abundance of fresh herbs, Gilan offers a unique culinary experience. One of the region's most iconic dishes is Mirza Ghasemi, a smoky eggplant dip. Another must-try dish is torshi tare, a vibrant herb stew. The Caspian Sea provides an abundance of fresh fish, often grilled, fried, or baked to perfection. Fresh, flavorful, and deeply satisfying, Gilanese food offers a true taste of the Caspian coast. Our culinary journey now takes us to the rugged and picturesque region of Kurdistan, located in the western part of Iran. This area is known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse culinary traditions. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and warm hospitality, Kurdistan boasts a unique culinary tradition that reflects its history and the natural bounty of the region. The cuisine is characterized by hearty stews, flavorful kebabs, and generous use of fresh herbs and dairy products. These dishes are often prepared with love and care, using recipes passed down through generations. One iconic dish is kalane, a savory pastry filled with wild herbs, onions, and spices. This delicious treat is a staple in Kurdish households and is enjoyed by both locals and visitors alike. Another must-try dish is kainat, a hearty stew made with tender lamb, chickpeas, onions, and aromatic spices. This comforting dish is perfect for family gatherings and special occasions. The region is also known for its high-quality yogurt, cheese, and butter. These dairy products are often made using traditional methods, ensuring their rich flavor and creamy texture. Hearty, flavorful, and deeply satisfying, Kurdish food offers a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. Whether you're enjoying a simple meal with family or a grand feast with friends, the cuisine of Kurdistan is sure to leave a lasting impression. Our final destination takes us to the sun-drenched plains of Khuzestan, a province in southwestern Iran. Known for its ancient history and diverse population, Khuzestan boasts a vibrant culinary tradition. The cuisine is characterized by bold flavors, fragrant spices, and generous use of fresh herbs and seafood. One iconic dish is galia mahi, a flavorful fish stew flavored with tamarind, fenugreek, and coriander. Another must-try dish is sambuse, crispy fried pastries filled with savory fillings. The region is also known for its delectable date-based desserts like ranganak. Spicy, aromatic, and bursting with flavor, Khuzestani food offers a truly unique and unforgettable culinary experience. As our culinary journey through Iran comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the country's rich and diverse food culture. The flavors, the aromas, and the vibrant colors of the dishes are truly unforgettable. From the Caspian coast to the Persian Gulf, each region offers a unique tapestry of flavors and culinary traditions. More than just sustenance, these dishes are a reflection of the region's history and heritage. Food in Iran is an integral part of the social fabric, bringing people together around shared tables. It fosters a sense of community and belonging. By venturing off the beaten path, we've uncovered a world of hidden gems, each with its own unique story and flavor profile. Each dish tells a story of its own, a story of tradition, culture, and love. It's our responsibility as food enthusiasts to seek out these hidden gems and share our discoveries with the world. By doing so, we help preserve these culinary traditions for future generations. So let's continue to explore, savor, and celebrate the beauty and diversity of Iranian cuisine, one delicious bite at a time. Every meal is an opportunity to connect with the rich heritage of Iran. Let's cherish these moments and keep the spirit of Iranian cuisine alive.